In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove customer login on Shopify store. Removing the customer login option is useful when you want shoppers to check out as guests only, or when you do not want account links showing in your store header and menus. The change we are making controls the sign-in links that appear on your storefront, so customers will not see an option to sign in or create an account through those links. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. Make sure you are in the correct store, especially if you manage more than one. Once you are in the admin dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click Settings. This is where Shopify keeps the main configuration options for your store, including customer account features. Inside Settings, find and open customer accounts. This section controls how customers can access accounts and what related options appear across your storefront. Give the page a moment to load fully so you can see all available settings. Now locate the section labeled Sign-in Links. This is the key area for this tutorial. The sign-in links setting determines whether Shopify displays sign-in and account-related links to customers as they browse your store. If it is enabled, shoppers may see links like sign-in or account in places such as your header, navigation, or other theme locations that support it. In the sign-in links section, find the switch labeled Show Sign-in Links and toggle it to the off position. Turning this off removes those sign-in links from being shown to customers on the storefront. This helps simplify the shopping experience if you are not using customer accounts. After you switch it off, click Save. Saving is important because Shopify will not apply the change until you confirm it. Once saved, it is a good idea to open your storefront in a new browser tab and refresh the page to confirm the sign-in links are no longer visible. If you have caching enabled in your browser, a hard refresh may help you see the update right away. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.